Okay, hello everybody. It's me, Liz, and today I'm with my middle granddaughter, Justine.
Hi.
Okay, they can't see you, so you're pretty famous.
Hi.
And today we're gonna make
Cracked marble necklaces.
cracked marble necklaces. So, do you want to explain what's in the oven?
So right now we have
Wait, I want them to see you while you're talking. Okay, there you go.
we have like 4 marbles and a pie tin with tin foil at 350 degrees.
For how long?
For 20 minutes right now, so we have less than a minute right now, so we're just going to explain things really fast.
And so how long do you have to keep them in the oven? 20 minutes? And what's the idea? Why do we put them in the oven?
So when you put them in the oven, it gets really hot. That's the timer. It gets really hot, and then you have a bowl of ice cold water, and you pour them in it, and then they start to crack like. It's cracked on the inside, but it's also hard on the outside.
So it makes them look even prettier.
Yeah, makes them look
Okay.
really pretty.
So you want to get those? You know what? I'm going to get them out of the oven, and you can be explaining the tools we have. And you know, kind of.
Yeah, we have to lower it down.
Oh, got it?
I think so. Hold on. There we go. We're good now. So what you're going to need is any kind of chain of some sort. We have this 90-inch gold chain, and you're also gonna need some bead or bell caps. Bell caps have little loops at the end, but we didn't get those. So we bought these jump rings. So if you couldn't find the bell caps, then go ahead and just get bead caps and jump rings. You're also going to need, obviously, marbles and everything like that. And we found them in the toy section of Walmart. And they come with 50 marbles. And you're going to need E6000 glue. And we got the jewelry and bead one. And why it's different from the usual E6000 is because it comes with little tips and it comes out from the top. You're also gonna need tweezers, and you're gonna need, we have these set of 3 jewelry tweezers. I don't know what each kind of them are, so yeah.
We got all our supplies from Walmart.
Yeah, we got all of them at Walmart.
These are still a little bit warm, but
How pretty.
I think we can show the folks how nicely
Oh,
that
this
they
one's
cracked.
really pretty.
Yeah.
So this is gonna burn my fingers, but you know. So that one's really, oh, it's actually not that bad. It's actually quite cold. This one has to be my favorite. So we just got regular blue and green marbles. That's all they had.
Okay, so let's explain how we're going to put it together. Here, what happens to the one? Didn't we have a couple that we put together already somewhere?
Oh, there.
Okay, so explain what we did and how we did it.
Okay, so if you did not get the bell ring, the bell caps, what we did is we just grabbed the jump rings and we put them through the little holes in here. So this is how it turned out. And it takes a while, just because it's quite hard.
Yeah, it was hard to pull them through. Yeah.
Yeah, we knew it was gonna be harder, so we did it except we didn't cut the chain.
Right. So we can do that now. We can cut a chain. And this is the little gizmo you need. So we're going to do it about the length of the one that you have around your neck already. So
I'm going to take this off.
I think it's probably a standard 16-inch, I'm guessing.
Yeah. And if you have any old chains and you don't really like the charms or anything, you could just do this. So this is the size that you're about to need.
Right, 16 or maybe even 18 inches, looks like.
But if you like your necklaces super long, be you, and just go ahead and do it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm gonna go this one. And you go ahead and just clip it.
Kind of hard to cut.
Oh, there we go.
There
We
it
got
goes. Okay. So I guess we'll put the ends of the thing on, with the chain on now, or probably when we're done, or when do you think?
We probably should do it now because, by the way, this glue takes a long time to dry. It says 48 to 72 hours.
Yeah.
2 days to 3 days. So.
Right, right.
No.
So, okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and open it like a regular person would. Oh.
A regular person will use scissors, probably.
Yeah.
Instead of winging it.
Yeah, alright. So we're gonna go ahead and just, do you wanna go ahead and do it?
Okay,
Do
just
this.
put the little piece, the ring. Yeah,
the
okay.
ring. You can go ahead and put it on this side. Go ahead and take
Okay, sure.
this off. You'll have a few like broken ones and everything like that, like we do.
Yeah.
You know?
Okay, so I'm taking this tool, the I guess the needle nose, and the rounded little plier-like things, and I'm pulling the, what is this called? What kind of ring?
A jump ring.
Okay, we're not jewelers, so
Yeah,
we're
definitely
just learning about this.
Hold on.
And they're real hard to pull apart.
They're really tiny. They're
Yeah.
that big. We actually probably could use the bigger ones. Yeah, let's try the bigger ones.
Yeah, let's.
So we're gonna go ahead and use the bigger ones because they're just look way too small.
Yeah, with the equipment we have to use. So, okay, so I got a small one, and I am gonna, still have glue on my fingers. I am going to find the opening and grab hold of one end and grab hold of the other end and pull them apart just a little bit. And then I'm going to attach the large ring to the end and then close it up again.
Yep. Because that one actually you have to close up, and
Yeah.
so does this one.
Right.
So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on this side.
Okay, and is that any different, or is it? Yeah, it has to be different. It's got the clasp on it, right?
Clasp. What do you mean by clasp?
Well, wait a minute. Why are you doing it? Oh, I see. You're doing that and then putting that on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh wait, why did I close it all the way?
Yeah.
So after you have put it on, don't put it on all the way, like I did. And you're just gonna grab your little bit that has a hole, and you're gonna go ahead and.
That's her dad, and
Yeah.
he normally doesn't sound that way. My son.
Yeah. And you're gonna go ahead and close it, and then there you go. Give it up.
Okay. And so, could I have that little tool?
Oh yeah.
There. Oh, wait a minute. But we still have to slide the thing on, so maybe we should hold off on this,
Yeah,
right?
hold on that
Yeah.
part. Hold on
Okay,
that
so I'll just leave it to the side. It's already open. So, okay. So now we did have to struggle making the.
These were the hardest part
Yeah,
to do.
it was difficult, and we're thinking that if we could have found smaller, where's one we made?
This is the one that we made.
Okay, if we could have found thinner, what are these called? Jump rings.
Yeah, jump rings.
It would have been a lot easier probably,
Yeah.
because we didn't have much space for the to go through the bead caps.
Yeah.
But so it was a struggle. So
It was a big struggle.
yeah. So next time we may be able to find
Yeah,
some smaller
we
ones.
probably should find bell caps next time. Find bell caps. Don't
Yeah.
do what we did. Find
Yeah,
bell caps.
yeah, exactly. Okay, so what are we gonna do? We're gonna glue one
Yeah.
of these marbles.
You're gonna
they're
have to
nice
use a
and
lot.
dry.
Yeah. We can do two. Where's that second one we made? Up here. So we each can make one.
Oh, okay. So,
And when you're gluing it on, make sure you have this part, the clasp part right there, open. Well, like it's not at the bottom quite yet. So, yeah.
right, and, oh, wait a minute. Are we gonna just slide these on?
Yeah, we just
or-
gotta slide them.
okay.
Never mind, scratch what I said.
So actually, we didn't need to wait for you to put the end on. Oh, well.
Why did we do that?
Live and learn. I don't know. Because we've never made these before.
Yeah.
And we're teaching ourselves as we're showing other people how to do it.
Yeah. It's sort of like a testing DIY.
Yeah.
We're testing it. Just
Yeah.
testing it.
Okay, so that's done. And now I'm going to put it together.
Okay. I got mine together. You want to
Okay.
use these ones?
Yeah.
Because those ones won't kill it.
Okay. Hold it and squish it.
Whoop.
Oops. Oh man, it came apart.
Do you want to? I'll do a green one and you can do a blue one.
Okay.
Do you want to do it?
All right.
So we did glue one of these on top, so that's why we need the tweezers. If you wanted to try that, it's just not dried right now. And let's see.
And the opening is going to be at the top,
Yes.
correct? Yeah. So I got to force this through again. And seriously, this was the hardest part.
Yeah.
A little bit of a challenge. So what's our next step, Jessie?
Our next step is just gluing it on.
Yeah.
So, you're gonna, if you did the same thing we did, you're gonna need a lot more glue because this little loop, it won't squish down all the way, so, yeah. And if you hear any random noises, that's just birds chirping. I live in the middle of nowhere pretty much, so.
But it's a nice,
Yeah.
pretty little middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have a little family farm out here, and it's a real nice place to live. This is a...
It's nice and quiet.
Yeah.
Not a lot of people drive past here, so.
And still, you don't have all that far to go to school, so that's
10
not
minutes
bad.
driving, but an hour walking.
What now?
It's 10 minutes driving, an hour walking.
Yeah. Oh, have you actually walked?
Well, I walked by it.
You know,
With my friend.
I grew up, as most of my friends and all of my relatives know, I grew up in Brooklyn, New York. And man, talk about walking everywhere. We walked everywhere, or we took a bus, or we took the subway. But
How about taxi?
you didn't have cars, or a lot of people didn't have cars. For one thing, and it's still extremely hard to find a parking space. And if you park in one of their garages, like public garages, it costs a fortune. It's ridiculous.
Isn't it like 20 bucks or something?
Oh, I don't even remember. I was just there last April, but I remember thinking, oh my gosh, that's ridiculous to have to pay that much to park for one day. So many people didn't have cars. And as I said, you couldn't find parking, and the traffic was terrible all the time, and bunch of angry drivers.
I bet.
And honk, just like you hear in the movies, you know, people honking their horns. So while I'm struggling with this, you want to start the glue process. And again, like Jessie said, E6000 takes a long time to dry.
Yeah.
So once you get it together, I would just set it aside and wait for the glue to dry thoroughly before you try to wear these pretty marble necklaces.
Yeah.
And these would make nice gifts
Like
for...
Mother's Day, like your best friend's birthday, anything like that. Because you can make best friend like necklaces and everything. So I put glue on it, and I'm gonna go ahead and just put it on. Oh, this is a struggle for real. Oh! Because the thing's not pushing down.
There, I finally got it. And I don't know that we have real jeweler's tools, you know.
Yeah, we just got this at Walmart.
Yeah. And did you mention that you need to flatten down the back of the loop that you're tying?
Yeah, we probably should flatten this one a little bit more because.
Oh, okay, got it.
There's still glue on it though.
Okay.
I'm gonna steal this one. So yeah, she flattened it, which it will fit much better on the marble.
Oh, I flattened it and it made the loop open up again. Well, as we said, this is not the easiest DIY.
Do it yourself.
Yeah, Grandma's been hitting the bottle again. No, just kidding.
So I'm going ahead and smushing it on. And we, right there.
Yeah.
It's gonna take a long time to dry. We probably should take a picture after it's done.
But that's what we'll do. Well, the next step is going to be to slide it on the chain, and then
no, it opened.
Oh,
we can fix it once it dries.
Yeah, and then we're just gonna wait until it thoroughly dries. We'll probably make another one or two, and we'll make oh my goodness, is the whole thing coming apart? We can make this happen. Anyway, we'll continue and we'll let them dry, and then we will take a picture and post that at the beginning so you see how pretty they are.
Yeah.
So thank you for watching. Again, this is Liz of Liv's Tunes Crafts and Tips, and my beautiful, granddaughter Justine, who we call Jussie, and she's crafty too. And my little one, who you may have seen the other day, she likes crafts too, so my granddaughters are taking after their grandma. I don't know about Morgan. Does Morgan like crafts?
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure.
My eldest granddaughter is in the Navy, so we don't get to talk to her as much as we'd like to. So anyway, that's it, and I'll see you next video. Bye-bye now.
Bye.